I want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. So now, let's go back to kitchen, cooking sweet lobster. Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We got a delicious crustacean in the studio today. Hiro, what are we making?
Uchiwa ebi, sweet lobster.
Slipper lobster. And for those of you who don't know, this is not a true lobster. More resembles a rock or furry lobster, spiny lobster. And the thing that differentiates this lobster from all other ones is that the antenna is right here. They're actually large plates and they come out of there. You see how that is? You're holding onto the antenna right now. That's how you can tell.
Two pieces.
Yes, those two pieces. But we use this in the restaurant a lot, making mostly lobster tempura dishes. And you said in Japan this resembles more of a shrimp, right? They call it that?
Uchiwa ebi. Ebi is
really
mean actually shrimp.
Shrimp, right?
That's how we call it.
Right. All right, take a look at this. The back side of it. The head looks
like right.
It looks like. Is it graphic? No graphic today. It's moving, Hiro. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Make sure it doesn't bite you. Not live, guys. Sorry. But really interesting looking creature.
Right.
And these are from Japan.
Yeah,
Not
these
cheap
are
at
from
all.
Japan.
These were about $30 a pound as well. From our supplier. Okay, Hiro-san.
So
we're
we're gonna make a tempura basically today, but I want to take off the meats from this one. I don't want to make separate the tail to head. I just want to take off this meat, and the other two I just gonna I just need the meat, so I just head and tail separate, and then take the meat off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Let's try it.
All right.
From this one.
Reminds me of the
isopod, right?
isopod, Hiro. The way you're cutting the legs or the fins.
Yes.
Nice piece of meat. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash and clean.
Okay.
Then I'm going to wash all inside. And the other two, I'm just gonna make it easier. Same as like other lobster do. Okay. First I'm gonna fry up this shell. a little bit dangerous, maybe splashing. First thing, I'm gonna put the salt on the yeah, and the next one, I'm gonna add the scallion into the tempura flour. A lot. Lots of scallion, like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna start to fry up the lobster. I use a seaweed, sushi seaweed, like that. Load it up. Then you put into the tempura butter, like that, and slowly into the oil.
What temperature here should it be?
350 again.
350, okay.
Yes. So this tempura, the scallion side will get a little bit browny. That's the result I'm looking for. I'm gonna use this shell to decoration for standing like this. So I'm gonna use a piece of the daikon I use for that. No? Right. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on my side a little bit at this moment. Then I'm gonna start with this one. It's a little bit bigger big for one bite, looks like. I'm gonna cut into that nice way to cut into the half. So now you can show to the customer inside too. Okay, nice way to just put the decorate. Decoration. Some parsley. Okay. Uchiwa ebi tempura.
Wow. Another beautiful dish. And I'm sure it's so delicious too. Fresh slipper lobster. Tempura style. With the scallions on the outside.
Right.
Hiro, you can't find this anywhere in the United States, I can tell you. Back in the day, we served this in Novi with shrimp. And that was really delicious. But this is just another level of slipper lobster. Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And tell us if you'd order this from a restaurant and what you'd be willing to pay. A lot of work goes into this. See you soon. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
What a beautiful looking dish. I cannot wait to try this. Slipper lobster tempura. What a beautiful dish with some spicy mayo and togarashi on top. Hiro-san, enjoy.
Okay.
Wow.
Just the slipper lobster is different than which we was used to using at the restaurant.
Yeah. Oh, it's different.
Yeah.
Huh. And they both said slipper lobster.
Yeah, just call it slipper lobster, but they have maybe several different types.
Yeah, there's actually 90 species of this type of lobster. How's it? Do you like it more than the one we used to use at the restaurant?
I think this is more like the other one is very rubbery.
Rubbery? Okay. Yeah, this came fresh.
Yeah, this is more
I
like
don't know if
it's a texture is a little bit different than shrimp.
right.
It's more like a soft,
Yeah, it's gonna
and
be
then different than lobster too.
It's very, very good. That is tastes almost between shrimp and a fish. The meat is really, really soft. Not really like Maine lobster, what we know, you know?
And then only I can tell it's a little different than isopod too.
Oh man, I don't miss the isopod at all here.
I ate the isopod, so I can tell.
It's almost between a lobster and a crab. The meat is soft, a little flaky at the end, which is like more like crab, you know.
Like a blue crab, you know.
Yeah, because lobster usually the meat is more like larger muscular fibers. This is thinner, smaller, more fibery. Not fibery in a bad way, like tough way, but more like
Right.
like you see the fibers at the end. You can see, look, it's separating how crab is, and maybe some lobster as well. But it's great, Hiro. Thank you so much. I love the skins on the outside. What a great taste, especially with the spicy mayo, the togarashi. So good.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
See you next time.
See you.
I want to thank again Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
Squarespace allows you to link your various social media accounts to your website so you can post simultaneously to all accounts. Choose from tons of designer and award-winning templates. These are created with modern browsers and mobile apps in mind, making their templates modern as well as beautiful. Management of your blog and its comments has never been easier, as Squarespace allows you to do this on the go with their mobile app. Hiro, the best part is, if you go to squarespace.com/mastersushichef, you get 10% off. So guys, head on over there. We're going to be doing the same thing. Okay, see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. See you.